Hi, thanks everyone. My name is Gordon Cook. So I wanted to look at building supports for part-time students. I teach a lot of part-time students, including face-to-face and distance learning. So why do I want to build in supports? I wanted to help with the students because of the huge diversity. A lot of the students have very busy jobs. They range in age from very young, 20s, all the way up to 50s. I'm not going to say old. And they have a lot of pressures, including family and work-related pressures. They can't always attend lectures unlike their compatriots in full-time education. And the students today now are communicating in different ways. So I wanted to see could I provide them with some support to help with their learning. So how did I do that? I went about building a website, a blog, and I used the WordPress software, WordPress website, and I designed the website that the students could access it with a range of different devices. It's simple to access. You can use tablets, smartphones, and everything like that. Sometimes the VLEs can have issues when you're accessing from different browsers or different operating systems if certain plugins are not installed. So the posts were made on this topics on the course within 48 hours after the lectures. And they also acted as a prod to remind the students that even the ones who did turn up or whether they didn't turn up to lectures because they can't always all turn up, that this is what we were talking about on the night. The students were able to sign up for email notifications and they were able to make comments or suggest ideas as well for posts on the blog. So this is a picture of the blog here. It's recently cleaned. It's gone through a couple of developments since I started last September. This is the second iteration. And I'll play a little bit of the video. It has lots of different content. It has videos, and I went about even using videos to explain how to make different graphs. Some of my students on assignments wouldn't know how to make an Excel graph or use PowerPoint, so it's easy for me to make a video of Excel or PowerPoint creation and then pop it up in the video on the website. I was also able to put different tags up so they could easily search the website under different topics. The posts would, I was also acting as curation nearly for all the different types of stuff on the web so that I could bring it into one location. And it was very easy to search the website. I made it as easy as possible. So I surveyed the students both post-Christmas and just recently, and in total I've had very good feedback from the students, and this has helped me develop the website, particularly from post-Christmas. In general, most of my students are using it, and I have not forced it onto them in terms of I'm not telling them they must use this website. There's nothing on the website that they need for their exams, but I will look towards changing that. I wanted to sort of make it an optional resource that they could use if they wanted to. So we've had lots of good comments from the students. They found it very easy to use. They found it easy to navigate. I've also used the comments to help change the website. Things that I thought were obvious were not obvious to the students, and this has helped me make the website hopefully better for them. And in general, the feedback seems to be saying that. So future direction-wise, I'd like to look at continuing to be guided by the student feedback. I'd like to try and promote and encourage comments. I haven't got as much comments as I'd like on posts as of yet, and I feel that's probably because I'm not forcing it on them, but I think if it comes September, if I start pushing on them, maybe give them a few marks for a bit more engagement on the website, then they might start engaging in conversation on it. I'd like to add an FAQ section on the website as well, just to explain things a little bit easier. And I may look at incorporating assignments into the site, and this might help drive comments on the site as well, and try and promote a bit more engagement. So if you'd like any further information, you can check out the website there or email me. Thanks very much for listening.